today's video, I'm gonna be starting a dropshipping business without actually doing anything myself. What's going on, guys? Casting with you guys with a brand new video, and in today's video, I'm gonna be starting a whole online dropshipping business without actually doing anything myself. So I already have a product in mind that I want to do, but I'm gonna have everybody do essentially everything else. So I'm gonna find somebody for the logo of the store. I'm gonna find somebody to actually make the store. I'm gonna find somebody to do pretty much every step of the process. For you guys who don't know what dropshipping is, let me explain it really quick. So essentially what dropshipping is I'm taking a product from China, say it's $5. I'm creating an online website with a service like Shopify, and I'm putting that product on my own Shopify website for say $30. So every time somebody orders an item off my website, they give me that $30. I take a portion of that $30, which in this case is $5, and I go ahead and send that item to the customer by paying that $5 to my Chinese supplier, who actually ships the products for me. So I'm not even touching the packages that people are ordering. Essentially, being a dropshipper is like becoming a big middleman. But as I said in the beginning of this video, I'm gonna be starting up an entire dropshipping business today without actually doing anything myself. So if you guys do enjoy the video, make sure to go ahead and drop a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. And yep, let's get right into my computer so we can get into the video. So I'm on Fiverr right now, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna search up dropshipping store to see what pops up. Oh, bro, I'm tripping. I thought that was Cardi B for 1 second. I don't know why, but I thought it was Cardi B. Jesus Christ. Okay, anyways, back to the video. So we got this dude here. He says, I will build your Shopify dropshipping or POD store. Oh, he means print on demand. Okay. Damn, they're all putting up their results. Damn, sheesh. Okay, I guess they're making some money. But anyways, I'm just gonna choose one of these people, and let's see. Let's just go with the first dude. Actually, no, you know what? I'm gonna go with somebody who doesn't actually show up first. Somebody like this dude right here. 75 bucks. Only the Facebook. Bro, he's not even selling a store. He's just selling us a fucking PDF. No, okay, hold on. Give me a second. I'm gonna find one. So I'm gonna go with this one. It says, I will create profitable automated AliExpress Shopify dropshipping store with SEO. So he does the 3 pages, the design customization, the responsive design, content upload, setting up the payment gateway. I don't know how he's gonna set it up if he doesn't have my information, but also 3 plugins and extensions, which is great. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna be going with this guy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place my order right now with him. I actually think on here what we can do is we can actually extend the delivery time. Oh yeah, here it is, extra fast 2 days delivery. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how much more that added. 25 bucks. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to pay 25 bucks to get it a couple of days early because I don't want to, take too long to actually make this video. So he added me to a group chat on WhatsApp. I sent him the products that I actually want to do, and if you guys can actually see them right here, they're like these little dog, kind of like bed dog houses, I guess. They looked pretty cool. They looked pretty unique to me. I actually sent him a couple of them. I didn't just send him one. This is actually one of my favorite ones. It's like a hot dog of a dog. I'm gonna stop, but this is a good product, I feel like, so I just wanted to create a store around it. A lot of people actually, buy stuff for their pets that they actually don't even need, and that's just like that passionate response about loving your pets and treating them like they're a human, I guess. So essentially, a lot of people are, really emotional and really want to, have their dogs be the most comfortable and be like the cutest thing. So that's kind of why, I wanted to do this store. So I'm going to go ahead, and I already sent them the links to the product. So now what we have to do is we actually have to go ahead and find a logo for the store, because we can't make a good store without a logo. So I'm in Fiverr now, and this guy says I will do intro, outro, or logo animation. Okay, now I want something a little bit more professional. So a creative tech logo, 100 bucks. Nah, this one looks good. So this one's 30 bucks, and it has 954 reviews, which I mean just says that this dude, yeah, he's a level 2 seller. That's great. So I'm actually going to order this as well, and I'm probably gonna have to order it with a faster delivery time as well, just because I want to get this video done, as I said, and I already ordered the store with the faster delivery anyways. I'm gonna order this right now. I'm going to get this, these orders in, and what I'm gonna start doing actually is I'm gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna be doing for the marketing of this store, because again, I can't actually do anything myself, and as much as I would love to do the marketing for the store, I actually can't. So the only other thing that I have to do before all this is actually get an ad video done, but I'm gonna be using one of the e-commerce video production teams. I don't even know what you would call them, but a video production service for dropshipping stores specifically. I'm going to be using one of them that I've actually talked about in one of my last videos. It's called Bands Off Ads. So I'm going to go ahead and order that video from him as well. So now I have the video, I have the store, I have the logo, I have pretty much everything that I need to get started now. All I need is somebody to actually run the ads for me. And this was the part that I was actually kind of worried about, because I didn't want to, give my business over to somebody on Fiverr or give it to somebody just off Upwork who wouldn't really care, honestly, how the store turned out. They were like probably rush the ads, So I wanted somebody who knew what they were doing, somebody who can actually offer for a decently good price, because I'm honestly willing to spend like $500 for this video, and I've already spent like 200, I think. So a good amount of money is, available for somebody to go ahead and run the ads. And then I remembered, I live in a house full of people who do e-commerce and dropshipping. Why don't I just pay one of them to run the ads for me? Yo, what's up, man?
Not much, Harley.
Yo, so
What's up?
I can't do this. This is too funny. All right, bro. So I have a Shopify store here that I'm making a video on. Would you be down to run these advertisements for it? Because I can't find anybody on Fiverr who is decently as good as you, because again, like, you're just a Facebook ads wizard. So I just wanted to call you and ask to see if you're available to run these ads for a clean $500.
Of course, yeah. I mean, you could get into the service and we can take care of your ads.
Wow, amazing, man. I love living with a fucking Facebook ads wizard.
Situated.
Let's get it situated. All right,
Just
I'm gonna
send me access to your ad account and get to scaling.
I'm gonna send all this stuff to you now, and hopefully we're gonna hit $1 million tomorrow.
Yeah, that should be easy. I could make like 2-3 mil off like 100 ad spend, something like that.
Oh, amazing.
That's 100% guaranteed.
Oh, okay, for sure. Okay, bet. All right. So Gage is gonna go ahead and launch the ads for us in a couple of days once the store is done and the logo is actually done as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video now, and I'll be back, I guess, whenever the store has generated probably like $200 or $300 worth of advertising spent on Facebook. And I'll probably come back and just explain, everything that I did in that meantime. So guys, the store is now done. Here is the logo that we ordered off Fiverr as well. I already added it to the site. But there was 4 color variants for the product. So lime green, chocolate brown, mustard, and baby blue. This is just one thing that I want you guys to understand as well, is you always want to kind of make the variants sound a little better than they do, right? You don't want to just say blue, you want to say baby blue. You want to make it seem like the product actually has a higher perceived value than it does. And yeah, it just goes through some of the features of the product, and that's pretty much it for the product page itself. There's really nothing else to it, but that's pretty much it. Here's the front page of it. So this is the front page of the website. I actually had him add another product as well, which was the doggy poncho. But yeah, besides that, there's not really much more to the front page except for the 2 products on there and the features of the doggy poncho. All right, guys, so it's a couple of days since I filmed the last clip. I have the video on my screen now. I'm just gonna play it for you guys real quick. That's the video that I had made. I also have the thumbnail ready to go, and I have the ad copy ready as well. So all that's left to do is Gage has actually run the ads for the store. All right, guys, so it is about 48 hours later since I last checked up, and the ads have had a whole 2 days to essentially run. It spent about $400, and as you guys can see, there were no purchases at all. On the Shopify store, if I go back, you can see we had almost 1,120 visitors. We had 1,118 visitors, but we had no actual conversions on the website. And I still wanted to include this in the video because I know that a lot of people struggle with dropshipping, and I feel like if you guys are able to see, a failure from my end, you're able to see that this is exactly how dropshipping is. Dropshipping isn't always going to be profitable. You are going to have stores like this that just don't convert. But if you guys actually look at the advertisements, the click-through rate was a 1.5%, which is super good. And then we also had a cost per click of 41 cents. So the ads actually did their job. And that is something to do with the website then. At that point, it could have been the price. It could have just been the website design. But anyways, that is it. The website just didn't convert the visitors. So that's it. But that's what it is. We can't really do anything about it. We're just gonna have to move on to the next product, guys. But that's pretty much it for this video. I wanted to include that last part in again because I feel like a lot of you guys can relate to that, with all the failures that you may have as a beginner. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.